Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I am back with Digital Wealth Pros. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I am back to discuss this awesome program I like to call the Automated Passive Income System, okay? Because we have everything set up for you where it's 95% automated. And the best thing of all, a call center that's going to close all your sales. I know a lot of you guys have been looking for something like this. You don't want to have to speak to people. You don't want to have to answer any questions. All you want to do is promote the opportunity and let someone else close the sales for you. Well, we finally got something for you. I think it's the perfect opportunity for you to be able to generate income online. This system pays out $200 commissions and $400 commissions, okay? Soon to be $800 commissions in one day, okay? The $800 level will be added in one day. So we'll be able to make 200, 400, and 800, not to mention the overrides that we'll be able to make with this program, and someone else closes the sales for us. How easy is that? Okay? I don't think you're going to be able to find anything on the net that's going to be able to do this for you, okay? Especially the call center. That's the game changer. All right? So let's talk about it. Digital Wealth Pros, okay? You're going to get an awesome website. Now, I'm using a third-party system right now. The link is in the description. Go check it out, www.earnwithpandora.com. I like this system because it shows the 6-minute video, which is what you need to watch, okay, before you call the call center. Watch this 6-minute video. Then go down here for a little more details on the program, okay? It gets into it a little bit more for 19 minutes, okay? But this program is awesome, guys. I love the idea of now all the new folks. So this will be for anybody, but you still got to promote it, okay? So you just drive people to your capture page and let the system do everything else for you, the heavy lifting, okay? So let's talk about what you're going to get with this system. You get the call center that will close all your sales. They're highly trained to do that. We all have to call that center in order to get signed up. There's no other way to get in but call them. Okay, so they're very knowledgeable. They're very professional. Okay, so you'll be calling them. Everybody has access to the call center. Okay, so you get the state-of-the-art sales funnel. Okay, they have the funnels already set up for you. There's 4 capture pages that you'll be able to use. They have the funnel includes analytics, so you can go back there and track, you know, the conversions, and shows you the stats of what your system is doing. Okay, you can see how many leads are coming in. All your leads will go in there. If you so choose, you can connect Aweber, GetResponse, or MailChimp, or you can just let the system collect the leads, and they have an autoresponder set up within the system. Okay, now you can get paid any way you want, guys. Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo. Folks can even mail you, okay, the payment. So it's up to you how you want to get paid, but you can set all those up in your members area. Okay, so this is instant pay. All right, and then they have pre-tested advertising campaigns that's included as well. So they're going to show you or recommend to you certain traffic sources that you can use. You can just send traffic to your capture page, okay? And then let the system do the selling and telling for you. The program also includes a digital library of eBooks, audio, and videos, okay, that will help you and improve in any business opportunity that you're a part of. So as I stated, 95% of the system is automated. Why is that? Because, excuse me, because you have the capture pages, right? People are going to go there, put in their name and email. Once they do that, they're going to receive an email automatically from the system, okay? That's going to follow up and lead people back to the video, right? Then what happens is, if they decide, oh, well, I need some more information about this, sounds great, they're going to call the 800 number, which is the call center. They're going to speak to the professional sales call center, the agents there, will answer all their questions and sign them up. And then guess what? You get paid if they decide to join, okay? The call center will send you an email to let you know that you have a person that is signing up, that's joining your team. And then from that point, you receive your commissions. All right. So very simple. You can't get any simpler than this. Okay. Having someone else close your sales, that's one of the biggest challenges. Okay. Besides you generating leads, you got to generate leads by driving people to your capture page. But now when folks start asking questions, you don't have to worry about that. They're going to call the call center to get all their questions answered. The call center is going to set them up, okay, and get them started. Now, let's take a look at, we're on a clock as far as upgrading to that third level, the platinum level, so that you can make $800 commissions. Okay, I'm going to show you that clock in a second so you can see this is the real deal. So you definitely want to take advantage of that free upgrade. Get in for $497. Okay, at the second level, the gold level, if you pay $497, the company will automatically upgrade you to the third level so that you can be positioned to make the $800 commissions. Okay, so we've got the bronze level, $297 to get in, so you can make $200 commissions, or you got the gold level, $497, and you make $400 commissions. Mind you guys, there is no monthly fees with this. No monthly fees, no pass-ups. You keep all your sales, okay? This is a deal, all right? So you come down, you taking a look at this page, right? Say you're here, and then you want to call the call center. Click that button. It tells you right here, what's the 800 number? Here it is, 800-232-2109. Give them my ID, okay? My name and ID, 442-89634. They will get you all set up. But let's go take a look at the dashboard. Okay, right here, I am in my members area. You can see right here, right? See, this pops up every time we go into the members area to remind people, if you're not at that gold level, go ahead and upgrade so that it can give you that free bump up to level 3. So as you can see, at the time that I'm speaking to you and this video is being recorded, 1 day, guys, that you have to take advantage of this. Pay $497 and you'll automatically be upgraded to the $800 commission level. I mean, it's a steal. And then you're going to be positioned to receive the $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and $800 commissions. And we do get upgrades with this too, okay? So position yourself accordingly, okay? Come in where you can, but I'm just letting you know this is the deal that's going on right now. So 1 day, and you see this thing is counting down. So I highly recommend you take advantage of it if you can, all right? So we're in the dashboard. You get 4 capture pages. Here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get the sales page, which I just was on that page too. There's 2 systems I'm using. But you get your sales page, right? Now to your left here, this is what I want to call the control panel. Okay, right here is all the buttons that you need to be concerned about. Once you get in, you just click Get Started. Okay, and these buttons will show up. Okay, it's going to give you a quick little tour on everything that's to the left here. Okay, this is the control panel. So the main thing you want to do is set up this Manage Payments. This is where you set up your Zelle, your Cash App, however you want to get paid. You want to go there and set that up. Okay, but take a look at all those. Now, the company does have products. Okay, everyone wants to know, well, what am I selling? You're selling digital products. Here's the bronze level products, the $200 level. Okay, right here. So definitely once you're in this program, please go back here and look at this stuff. This is some great information. As an entrepreneur, as an affiliate, you need to go check this out. So you have products there. Then your second level is the gold level, and there's products there as well. And again, soon to be, the platinum level will be added with digital products as well. So you're able to learn and earn at the same time. All right. The company also provides to you, click to the left here, go to member resources. They have postcards that you can mail out. Order your postcards. They have a company that will do all the mailing for you. Then they have an 800 number that you can put on the postcards. Here is the 800 link company. Just click that button and you'll get that. If you want to use a third-party mailing service like AWeber, Get Response, they have the pre-written letters right here for you. All you have to do is copy them and put them in your system. And then for traffic, they provide you traffic company vendors right here. Just click here and you'll see the solo ad companies. Okay, guys, so everything is here for you. So your job is to drive people to your capture page. Okay, here's one of the capture pages they have. They have some very nice capture pages. Okay, all you need to do is drive people to your page, guys. That's your job. And if people are interested, they will call the 800 number, get their questions answered, they get signed up, and then the call center will send you an email to say you had a new member to sign up and you get paid. Okay, I mean, you can't get any easier than this to be able to make $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and soon to be $800 commissions. I think this is the easiest thing out on the net right now, and especially for what you're paying. Okay, because most of these type of programs where they have a call center, they do a split 50-50, 60-40, 70-30. That's how I've seen it in the past. So with this, think about it. The $200 level, you're only paying $297. So $97 goes to them, right? Or the company. Then if you do the $400 level, it's $497. So you're paying one time. Okay, $97. And then once this one goes live, after this promo is over, to get $800 commissions, it's going to cost $997 to get in. So $197 will go to them. One time, no monthly fees. So for the price that you're paying to get someone else to close all your sales is a steal. Okay, so if you're interested in making these commissions, automated system, with an automated system where someone else is closing all your sales for you, definitely go check this out. The link is in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. And I've got a promo for you guys. Let me go over that with you real quick. All right, for everybody that comes in at the $200 level, I'm going to send 125 targeted visitors to your page. Okay, it's 125 click solo ad. For the $400 level, it's going to be a 225 click solo ad. For the $800 level, I'm going to send 300 click solo ad. Okay, this is going to kickstart and jumpstart your business so you can start driving people to your page. Okay, that's the name of the game. Driving people to the capture page. The more people go to that capture page and see the presentation, the more people are going to call the 800 number to get started so that you can start earning the commissions. Okay, so what is the number again? Let me show you that. Okay, on the screen, call this number. Any questions you have, this is the first step. Look at the video. Go to www.earnwithpandora.com. Go watch the video, 6-minute video. Jot down your questions, read over the page, okay, then make the call. This is step 2. Step 1, watch the video. Step 2, call this number, 800-232-2109. Give them my referral ID, 442-89634. After you get started, I receive my payment. I'm going to email you some information. Then you're going to send me your capture page link so that I can start driving traffic to your capture page. Okay, that's how this is going to go. Okay, that's what you have to do, guys, because I wouldn't know what your capture page is, so it's your responsibility. Send me that so that I can get the traffic started. All right, so with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Do not forget to go ahead and take advantage of this opportunity. If you can, you only have 1 day left to get that free upgrade. All right, thank you so much. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.